Namaskar. Greetings to all. 10th April 1755 was the day when Samuel Hahnemann was born at Meissen, Saxony in Germany. Born in family of porcelain artists and painters, he grew up to be the greatest innovator of whole new system of medicine, that is homeopathy. His life is an example of hard work, study, research, and above all, devotion to humanity. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure, as it is termed. Hahnemann himself describes his philosophy of cure in these words in Organon of Medicine. Let's learn the lessons from life and works of our great master.
Samuel Hahnemann was born in family of porcelain painters. His father, Christian Gottfried Hahnemann, was a porcelain painter and worked in a porcelain factory. It was his father who advised him to prove all things, hold fast that which is good, and this has left much impact in the life of the master. Dr. Hahnemann was master of about dozen languages. He had mastery over German, Italian, Spanish, French, English, Latin, and Greek, and he gained further proficiency in Arabic, Syrian, Chadian, and Hebrew. After giving up his practice in around 1784, Hahnemann made his living chiefly as a writer and a translator. And it was during translation in 1790, while he was translating Cullen's Materia Medica from English to German, he came upon an idea which was to be the gem of this completely new system of medicine, that is homeopathy. Cullen was a professor of medicine at London University, and he had devoted 20 pages of his Materia Medica to the therapeutic indications of Peruvian bark, and he attributed its success in the treatment of intermittent fever to the fact that it was bitter. Hahnemann was dissatisfied with these explanations, so much so that he did something quite extraordinary. He took the medicine himself. Hahnemann says, I took by way of experiment twice a day 4 grams of good china. To his great astonishment, he was attacked by symptoms very similar to ague or malarial fever. This unexpected result set up in his mind a new train of thoughts, and he conducted similar experiments on himself and other individuals with other medicines whose curative actions in certain diseases had been well established. In the year 1796, the discovery was brought to light in his essay titled An Essay on New Principle for Ascertaining the Curative Powers of Drugs and Some Examinations of the Previous Principles. It was published in Hugh Flint Journals, Volume 2. He put forward his new doctrine of similia similibus curanter, that is, like cures like, in contrast to the age-old contraria contraris curanter, that is, opposite cures opposite. 1796 is the birth year of homeopathy. Hahnemann was father of experimental pharmacology. He was the first physician to prepare medicines in a specialized way, proving them on healthy human beings to determine how the medicine acted to cure diseases, Before Hahnemann, medicines were given on speculative indications, mainly on the basis of authority without experimental verification. He was an acclaimed chemist by preparing the medicine through potentization. The inert substances like gold, platina, silica, vegetable charcoal, lycopodium, etc., become soluble in alcohol or water and were charged with medicinal force. He was protagonist of contagious nature of disease. In the year 1830, he discussed the role of microorganisms in transmission of disease in his article Cause and Prevention of the Asiatic Cholera. He was an advocate of poor hygiene as a contributory cause of spread of disease, and he also emphasized the importance of nursing, diet, bed rest and isolation of patients during epidemic diseases. He was progenitor of several modern medical approaches. He was against the cruel and harmful treatment of insane. He advised a humane treatment for the insane. He was a keen observer. He propagated the law of cure known as similia similibus curantur, or like cures like, and the visionary concept of minimum dose was result of his keen observation. His major writing, which had illuminated the world, are Organon of Medicine, which was revised 6 times during his lifetime, and here the fundamentals of homeopathy are laid out. Materia Medica Pura records the proving. Here the exact symptoms of remedy provings are recorded. Chronic diseases, their peculiar nature and their homeopathic cure. He showed us how the natural diseases become chronic in nature when suppression took place by improper treatment.
Thank you for watching. I will upload a video on photo gallery of Dr. Hahnemann soon. Please subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Thanks again.